Good morning, class. As yesterday we have ended with revision 4, that was from chapter 8, The Wise Men of Ramnagar. Now, today our revision 5 is from chapter 9, that is the play Beauty and the Beast part 1. Now, today we are going to start the revision of this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to start with the revision today with word meanings and answer the following questions. I have given you 5 word meanings of this chapter and 5 question and answer. You have to write the meanings of the word, that word, and answer the questions which I have given. Now, in this play, Beauty and the Beast part 1, I hope you all remember this play. In this play, there were 7 characters. First one was the merchant and with all his grown up children, that was April, Jack, June, George, Joseph. All these were the children of the merchant. The merchant was a businessman who was doing the work in business. One day his warehouse has caught fire and his goods were burnt, and the ship bringing new goods to his storehouse was lost at sea, and that merchant have gone. After that, merchant was having no money, so he went for another work. He went to the jungle, in which he found a castle, and he found a beast there, from whose castle he was taking out a rose for Beauty, and he asked for a promise that if he will bring 3 of his one child to him for marry, then he will leave a life, or else he would make him die. After that, this was the short summary of this play. Now let us begin with the revision of chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast part 1. Now, today, as I have told you, that we are going to start with the revision 5 today. Now, before starting the revision 5, first of all, you have to fill the index. Now, in the index, first of all, put the serial number, that is 21, put today's date, revision 5, chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast part 1. Count the number of page and write it over here. You have to count your number of pages and then you have to write it here. Don't copy my number of pages, as I am writing the page number according to my notebook. You have to count it in your notebook and then you have to write it over here. Now, after completing the index, turn to a new page in your English literature notebook. Now let us start with revision 5 in your notebooks. First of all, put today's date, classwork, revision 5, chapter 9, Beauty and the Beast part 1. Put this heading in your notebooks. Now, first one which we are going to do today is the word meanings. I have given the 5 words over here. You have to write the meaning of these 5 words. Don't write it in this way. Write it in a serial order. First word is castle. Second word is industrious. Third word is warehouse. Fourth word is suit. Fifth word is afford. Now, first word is castle. After writing castle, you have to write the meaning. Second word is industrious. After writing the word industrious, you have to write the meaning of word industrious. Third one is warehouse. After writing the word warehouse, you have to write the meaning of it. Fourth word is suit. After writing suit, again you have to write the meaning of it. Fifth one is afford. After writing the word afford, you have to write the meaning of word afford. Now, after completing the word meanings, make a small line. Now come to question 2. Question 2 is answer the following questions. In this, you have to answer the questions which I have given here. I have given you here 5 questions. You have to write the answer of these 5 questions in your notebooks. Copy the questions using black pen and write the answers using blue pen only. Question 1 is, what work does the merchant do? In this you have to tell what work is the merchant doing. After writing, copy all the questions which I have given in revision, and after writing question 1 you have to write the answer of it. Question 2 is, who is the most hardworking of the children? In this you have to write, who is the most hardworking among all the children? As the merchant was having 5 children, in this you have to tell who is the most hardworking among all of the 5 children. Now, after writing the answer of it, come to question 3. Question 3 is, where do the sons and the father go and why? This question is saying that where have the son and the father, where do the sons and the father go and why? You have to tell the reason. Because when their warehouse has got fire, they have moved to earn money so that they can get more treasures. Because of this, the father and the sons have gone to earn money for the family. So you have to tell here, where do the sons and the father have gone and why? After writing the question 3, you have to write the answer of question 3 over here. Question 4 is, what makes the beast angry? After writing question 4, again you have to write the answer of question 4. I hope you all remember what makes the beast angry. Beast was angry because when the merchant plucked the flower from his castle, the beast was angry because of that, and he have made a promise that from 3 of her girl child, he have to bring one of the girl child to marry beast, so that he could give up his life again. Or if he would not be able to bring one of his girl child to him, he would make the merchant die. Now, after writing question 4, I have already given you the hint of question 4. You have to write the answer of question 4, and after writing the question 4, now let us move to question 5. Question 5 is, what does Beauty asked her father to bring? After writing question 5, you have to write the answer of question 5. I hope if you all remember that in the story, when her father was moving to earn money in the jungle, each and every child said that April and June said April wants clothes and June said he wants some jewelry. But Beauty only said what you have to write it over here. From that paragraph, you have to write the answer of question 5. After completing this, you have to form a line. Now let us go through a revision of this. First of all, you have to write the word meaning. First word is castle. Second word industrious. Third word is warehouse. Fourth word is suit. Fifth word is afford. After writing the word meanings, form a small line and move to question 2. Answer the following questions. Question 1 is, what work does the merchant do? Second question is, after writing question 1, you have to write the answer of question 1. After writing answer 1, form a small line and move to question 2. Copy question 2, that is, who is the most hardworking of the children? After writing question 2, again you have to write the answer of question 2 and form a small line. After completing the answer, come to question 3. Where do the sons and the father go and why? After writing question 3, you have to write the answer of question 3 and form a small line at the end of answer 3 and move to question 4. What makes the beast angry? After writing the question 4, again you have to write the answer of question 4 and form a small line at the end and move to question 5. Question 5 is, what does the Beauty ask her father to bring? After writing question 5, again you have to write the answer 5 and form a big line at the end, which will be shown as here you complete with the revision 5. Now homework for you all. After completing this revision, homework for tomorrow is you have to learn the true and false and answer the questions about these lines from the play from chapter 9 only. Tomorrow we are going to continue in revision 6. We are going to continue with chapter 9 only. We are going to continue with true and false and answer the questions about these lines from the play. We are going to continue with that only. Thank you.